Ready? Wow, I feel pretty energized. I want to do something exciting and fun and also incredibly stupid. Come on, Perry the Platypus, let's go have an adventure.
Ginger, are you texting Baljeet again?
Yeah, we're at odds deciding what movie to see later. He wants to go to the one about that planet, and I want to see the one with that guy. Well, don't fight about it. Manipulate the situation.
Manip the what?
Okay, ladies, listen up.
Pretend you don't care about your movie, but then hint that it's playing at the theater next to the Froyo place he likes.
The seed is planted, and he'll think it's his idea to go there. Hi, guys. Food's up. Aw, just think. This may be the last time I'm stuffing your faces before I'm off to school. I got it, Mom. Anyway, enjoy. Gotta treat my Fireside Grow alums right.
Hey, Baljeet says okay to my movie.
Mm-hmm. Works every time. Where is Baljeet anyway?
Oh, he's over at Phineas's.
Oh, Phineas.
It's too bad Isabella and Phineas never got together.
Yeah, I always thought they were meant for each other. Look at her, working so hard.
Do we have chopped liver? What do you think this place is? Chopped that doesn't really work.
She doesn't have time to manipulate a situation where she and Phineas can get together.
But we do.
Hey, Speedy Thumbs, text Loverboy and tell those guys we have a plan to get Isabella and Phineas together.
Ginger texting you again?
Yes, the girls want to get Phineas and Isabella together.
Wasn't that our idea?
Yes, but now I've got to write her back in a passive way that makes her think it's really her idea. She is trying to manipulate the situation. It is how we love.
How's the dye job holding up, Perry the Platypus? Isn't this great? If I had known it was this much fun! Hey, this is one of those fancy sailing yachts. We can sail around the world in this thing. We can visit exotic ports, fight pirates. We'd be like a couple of seafaring Huck Finns, and the ocean would be a... Or maybe we could wrestle alligators. No, wait, even better. Sports car!
Here, let me get that for you, Nana Shapiro.
Phineas Flannel, look at you so tall and handsome and going to college, I hear. Oh, how time flies. Where are you going to school?
I haven't really decided.
Isabella came over to say goodbye this morning.
This morning? But her school doesn't start for 2 more weeks.
Oh, honey, didn't you know? She's leaving today. As soon as she's done with work, something about needing
Today? But...
Phineas, look at me. If you have anything you need to say to her, you'd better go over to the restaurant and say it. Her summer is almost over.
You're right. Thanks.
The restaurant is that way.
Thanks again.
Isn't this fun? It's like when we were kids, building stuff in Phineas and Ferb's backyard.
We'll build the perfect dinner date for Isabella and Phineas. Their favorite food, music.
And when we get them to come back here and see it, and each other, they're bound to fall madly in love like they were always meant to be.
You know, you can't force these things.
Oh, come on, we're girls. It's what we do.
When they first walk in, we'll play the songs I put on this playlist. They're all about love, and it will trigger them to start thinking about love. Then we have these streamers and balloons in both of their favorite colors, which will stimulate the romantic centers of their brains, making them think about love.
What if it doesn't?
Well then, we have this sign.
Sure you don't have anything else that's more ridiculous or irresponsible?
Nope, this is as dumb as they come.
All right. So, what else you got?
We got another one just like it, but in yellow.
You hear that? It'll be like driving a really fast Ducky Momo.
Oh yeah, it's the perfect romantic setting out there. It'll be like love kicked them both in the face.
Buford, the table looks great, but there is one thing that would make it perfect.
No way. I'm not putting that stupid Cupid outfit on again.
But it worked so well for me and Mishti.
Mishti, Mishti, Mishti. Let it go, Ginge.
I think the turbo kicks in when it revs up. It's okay, we're fine. But we do seem to have picked up a passenger. I'll shake it loose up here at the turn.